G'day guys, I'm Chef Guy Tellon from Bondi Harvest, and today I have partnered with Windy Hills Farm to teach you how to get the most out of your salad and herbs. If you've watched my past recipes, you know I'm obsessed with light, fresh, zesty flavors, and there's no better way to get that than with delicious, healthy potted herbs. So we're going to get into it. I'm going to teach you a bunch of recipes, and you are going to fill your kitchen with herbs next time you go shopping. Let's get cooking. We are making a one-pan green shakshuka. Everything in one pan. It's super easy and it will be the most delicious breakfast you have had this week, I promise. For your green shakshuka, what you're going to need is some garlic, some onion, some chili and some lemon. We're going to spice it up with some coriander seed and some cumin. We're also going to add in there some peas, we have some kale, and then the hero of the dish is a whole bunch of vibrant herbs. So we've got some thyme and some parsley. And then we're going to crack in some beautiful organic eggs and fry them through those flavors into the sauce. And then you'll have the best, most delicious breakfast you've ever had in your life. But we're also going to top it with some buffalo mozzarella, so melted cheese on top of soft eggs, on top of herbs. Yeah, let's get into it. So we want to mince and chop up our onion, our garlic, and our chili. We're going to fry that in a pan with some olive oil. We're then going to add our coriander seed and our cumin. From there, we're going to wilt down our kale and our beautiful herbs. We're going to throw in some beautiful frozen peas, which are going to defrost and add some sweetness. From there, we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. Adds a bit of juice in there and it allows the eggs to steam and cook. So crack your eggs in there, let them simmer away and cook until the white is cooked, but the yolk is still soft. From there, we're going to finish it up with a few more beautiful herbs. We're going to pull apart the buffalo mozzarella and spread it all over your green shakshuka. You will never have a boring breakfast ever again once you learn this recipe. Plus, this recipe is packed full of nutritional, dense veggies and herbs. The parsley, the thyme, and the kale is such a fantastic way to start the day and such a fantastic way to inject vitamins into your diet before you get on with your day.